everyone, and welcome back to Teacup Tarot. I hope all of you are doing really well. And I have to say, I'm really sorry that I haven't been posting any videos for the past 4 to 5 days. The reason for that is that I've actually moved into a new apartment, and moving your residence is never easy. Like, there's so many changes, there is so much moving here and there. You just need to take some time, and that's exactly what I was doing. So thank you so much to those who especially reached out and asked me, where am I okay? I'm absolutely doing okay. And please, if you can, just send a blessing my way for my new home. Now, having said that, let's come back right away to our video. We have messages for your career for the next 6 months in this video for you. You have 3 piles in front of you. Pick one that speaks most to you. Of course, if you're called to more than one pile, you can of course choose 2. It just means you need more messages, or just you need to receive a lot more than usual. You have 3 piles, pick one, and then we'll start with pile 1. Hello, and if you've picked pile 1, this is what you can expect towards your career in the next 6 months. Alright, now we have our tarot and we have our oracles, but this time we are going to be starting with our tarot, and let's see what you've got. Okay, you're starting off very promisingly with the Knight of Swords. You have the Ace of Wands, you have the World, you have the Emperor, Queen of Swords, and the Knight of Pentacles. Okay, very strong energies for you, pile 1. Now, essentially, there is almost like the end of a cycle and the beginning of a new one, okay? So whatever it is that you're doing, you are going to be super successful at it, okay? And the way I see this is, if you've been working on a project for a very long time, if you're working on an exam for a very long time, or a particular promotion, you are very likely to get it, because there is just success rounding up towards you, and in a way this is getting the rewards for having done a job really well. Along with that, you're also going to be appreciated a great deal for the work you are putting in. Now, once I have to tell you, there is a great deal changing, and things are changing quickly for you. Like, you're going to have a lot of ideas, inspired ideas, lot of passion, lot of ambition. And what is happening here is, you are almost cutting out your emotions from logic, your emotions from your work, okay? Whatever decisions that you take now are going to be very logically driven. Like, everything you're doing, you're thinking it through. And because you're thinking things through so very well, you are very likely to really step up your game, okay? And I really have to tell you, you are going to be climbing that corporate ladder, or going to the next stage when it comes to your career, and that too really soon, okay? So if you are feeling slightly uninspired in the past, that is changing. But one thing that really needs your attention is your long-term goals. If you are right now acting with just your short-term goals in mind, like, okay, I just need the next promotion and we'll see after that, that attitude slightly needs to shift for now, because what needs to happen is, you need to slow down, you need to re-evaluate certain plans and ask yourself, by making this choice today, where will I end up tomorrow? Where will I end up 10 years down the line, okay? So really need to think long term. But for a couple of you, there is a chance of getting a promotion, but traveling because of work is also likely for you. And for a couple of you, if you are thinking about changing your job, why not look for a job that is slightly away from your residence, so moving to a different city, moving to even a close by, locality, or close by town. If that is possible, that will sort of bring with it a lot of rewards, especially for students. If you're planning to go to university, maybe your university has to be something that is slightly far away from where you are right now. But the way I see it, lot of opportunities are now opening up for you, pile 1, and especially for students who are just graduating. You're going to be graduating very promisingly, and your career is just set, is what I have in store for you. But let me tell you, whatever ideas you have, the kind of passion you have, if you keep on maintaining it with a certain amount of assertion in mind, you are going to be going far away. But also, if you're planning to make any changes when it comes to your work area, try not to move away too much from the traditional approach. Okay, doing what has always been done will actually gain you results much more easily, is what I'm getting here. At the same time, you're also going to be getting the support of your colleagues and your boss, male or female, to proceed very rapidly when it comes to your career. So especially in the past, if things have slowed down, they are going to be shifting much more easily now. Also financially, I see a lot of blessings coming your way. But if there is somebody out there who is worrying, like, if you're currently going through financial issues, you are being assured that financially you will be taken care of, and there is always going to be enough. Now this also signifies having a little bit of money blocks. So if you're sort of blocking your own progress, your universe is telling you, your spirit guides are telling you, there is always going to be enough. Stop worrying. Okay, there is abundance in your life, and the reason why I say this, because you've chosen not one but two cards, so to sort of demote the same. So financially, in terms of your career, in terms of your work, you are coming into a very, very abundant time. Okay, you're going to get opportunities that bring you money. You will in fact have multiple opportunities to earn money, and especially if you are involved in jobs that you're doing at home, like self-employment kind of jobs, I see you guys doing especially well in the future. But a lot of help is around you, especially to gain that financial abundance, is what I see for you. But one message that is really, really standing out for you is you need to be slightly flexible. Okay, you cannot afford to be rigid. So if in the previous times you have stuck to doing things your way and not listened to advice from other people, you are now being told that maybe being flexible can be of much assistance to you than being rigid. Okay, and especially since you've drawn the Emperor card, Emperor has their own rules. Emperor just does things their own way, and maybe that needs to alter a little bit for you in order to gain the success that you really, really want. At this point of time, I also feel like you are going to be of two minds. Okay, there is one mind which tells you like, okay, you need to go in this direction, and the second mind tells you that, okay, you need to go in this direction. So maybe take some time, plan things through, okay, and only then make any kind of decisions, especially when you come towards that crossroads in your life. Along with that, you're also being told to believe in the impossible, and especially financially, I believe this is a message that you guys really, really need. So if you are really asking yourself, is this going to be possible? Is this promotion going to be possible? Am I going to pass this exam? Am I going to get that job? The universe is telling you, you need to believe firstly in yourself, in your ability to attract whatever you want, but also in the impossible. Okay, remember, there is a force much more greater than you who is in control and who is just handling things for you. But along with that, the way I see it, you are going to be very inspired. There is a great deal of tenacity in you. There is a great deal of strength in you. And along with that, if you act with authority, with the Yang principle, with the I need to do this, I need to take action kind of principle, you are going to get a great deal of success when it comes to your career. But overall, the message is there is always enough. You are going to get the progress you seek if you be flexible and believe in the impossible. Yeah, so that is it from me when it comes to what is in store for your career for the next 6 months. As usual, I leave you with nothing but my best wishes for your future. I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Hello, and if you've selected pile 2, this is what you can expect in terms of your career over the next 6 months. All right, now first of all, we shall start off with our tarot. We have oracles as well, but we'll be taking them at the very end. You have 6 of swords, you have the Hanged Man, 8 of wands, the Star, 4 of cups, and you have 10 of pentacles. Okay, now let me tell you, pile 2, if you have been going through some kind of difficulty when it comes to your career, or the kind of setbacks you are facing, I see them like going away from your life. Okay, because you are drawing the 6 of swords, so whatever clouds you were going through, they are parting and you are entering calmer waters, which is definitely a relief. But traveling because of work or moving to a different place, new place of work, very much possible. But once again, you're changing your perspective towards looking at things, okay? You're becoming wiser, you're becoming smarter, you're becoming more mature in your approach towards doing things. But things are moving very quickly, okay? It's like one day things were really quiet, and from next day it's all boom, things are rapidly shifting. But there is a great deal of movement, lot of changes for you, especially when it comes to your career sphere. Now let me tell you, you may be like given some opportunities, okay? Like new opportunities are coming your way, but it seems like you're slightly dissatisfied, or maybe you're not happy with what you're getting, and hence you're like, okay, maybe I'm not going to do this, or I'm not going to do that. You're slightly in that indecisive zone. So basically you're being told that instead of like being indecisive about things and waiting out for something for a very long time, just go with what you're getting, go with what feels the best to you at this point of time. Because unless you get out of the zone of boredom, of dissatisfaction, you're never really going to get into the mode of progress, okay? And what happens is, once a person is sort of used to a particular way of thinking, changing that is slightly difficult, and maybe that is exactly the challenge that you need to overcome. But if you overcome that challenge, you are promised nothing but fulfillment, you are promised nothing but a great deal of harmony and success when it comes to your career. And especially I see this as financial success coming towards you, the kind of success that people are proud of. Your family is going to be proud of you, you are going to be proud of yourself, your colleagues are going to be very, very proud of you, okay? And the kind of wealth you will build, that will be amazing, okay? And not only this wealth will have something good to do in your life, but you'll also be able to take care of family because of the kind of money that you're earning. But over the next 6 months, I also see you guys having a lot of hopes, lot of dreams towards your future, and you have so many dreams in your hearts, okay? But in a way, it's like you're just stopping yourself. You have dreams, but you're like, should I take action towards it? Should I? So stop asking yourself, is this okay? You have the permission. If you move out of the zone, you are going to get progress that is just unlike anything else, okay? Nothing else will stop you at this point of time but you yourself. Now let me tell you, for people who are into the field of travel, who feel into the field of entertainment, who are into the fields of healing, you guys are going to do especially really, really well. And especially with people who have careers that are very different, okay? Like maybe creative careers like YouTube, or you can be an artist of some sorts, you guys are also going to do very, very well, okay? Healers of all kinds, the next 6 months are going to be promising especially for you. But once again, you need to be very quick, you need to be doing a lot of things, and I think that is going to be a part of your life in the next 6 months. Yeah, just say yes to an opportunity that comes your way. Your life can change because of it. Now what's important for you, pile 2, is you get down to work, okay? Like maybe whatever skills you have, you need to become the best at what you do. At this point of time, in order for you to having success in your life, being mediocre is not going to help you. You need to be the best at what you have become, okay? First of all, you need to ensure that you're putting extra hours at work, getting to the very basics, getting to the very details, and not ignoring anything when it comes to your area of work. So you really need to become an expert in the subject matter of whatever it is that you're dealing into, because you need to understand there are a lot of people who are like having similar skill sets than you. So what sets you apart is going to be very important as you move forward. Once again, you need to take a look at the bigger picture. So you need to ask yourself, am I ignoring something? What do I really want? Is the job that I'm currently in making me happy? And if the answer to either of these questions is like, no, this is not making me happy, I'm not sure where I'm headed, you need to change your course. You need to change the way you think, okay? Because that is very, very important. And you need to become independent. Don't rely on other people to tell you what to do. You need to take the control in your own hands. You need to be the masculine principle. You need to become the yang energy. You need to be the driving force of your own life, okay? That's really, really important for you right now. So remember, if you choose to be the captain of your own ship, you will be able to navigate it just the way you want to. All right, and at the same time, you're also being told that there are certain fears that possibly you are holding is this going to work out, is this going to succeed? Those fears, you need to work through them. Okay, see, there is a possibility of amazing success waiting for you, the kind of success that people will be proud of. Now it all depends on whether you are willing to go into that direction or you're just willing to settle. At the same time, what is important for you is discipline. Okay, so you need to ensure that you're getting up at a particular time, you're putting in consistent practice towards whatever you're doing, and doing things just right. You cannot escape from hard work, is what is coming through. Along with that, you need to also ensure that you are very carefully prepared for everything that you do. And I think this message is especially for all the students who are watching me. So if you're preparing for an exam, if this is an interview that you're preparing for, make sure to not leave anything out and just take care of the details. Okay, at this point of time, it's also important for you to sort of do things on your own. Don't expect that people will do something for you. And adaptability, that is something you absolutely need. Okay, you need to be able to adapt yourself to different situation. If your work requires you to do this, you need to have that skill set. If your work requires you to be in a particular manner, adapt to that energy, because at this point of time, adaptability, resourcefulness, self-sufficiency is what is going to get you very, very far in life. Now, once again, because of the Four of Cups showing up, the possibility of having little setbacks is there, but that can be overcome by you working through your fears. So whatever this is your own fears. Okay, and let me tell you, I see nothing but success for you and things changing rapidly, because the very first card that we started off with is you coming out of difficult times. Okay, so you're moving out with hard work and really a lot of practice. You will do really, really well. Yeah, overall, that is what I see for you when it comes to your career. I leave you with nothing but my best wishes and lots and lots and lots of prayers for your future. I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Hello, and if you've selected pile 3, this is what you can expect for yourself when it comes to your career in the next 6 months. And firstly, we'll be starting off with your tarot today, and we'll take the oracles as clarifiers at the very end. Okay, you have Ace of Swords, you have 8 of Cups, you have 4 of Wands, you have the Sun, oh my god, you have the Wheel of Fortune, and you have the Hermit. Okay, I love this. I really have to say this. Now for you, pile 1, what's interesting is you are moving out of something. Okay, now this could be like a workplace, this could be like a house, a residence, but you're moving out of something, and you're moving out of things consciously and moving towards a better tomorrow. Okay, so especially if you have been having trouble at work, or you're just not happy with certain situations, those are rapidly changing for you, because what is happening is you're coming into a great deal of clarity. It's like this light bulb goes inside of you, and you're like, okay, this is what I should have been doing, and this is what I wasn't doing so far. And that clarity is actually going to help you a great deal in your future. Along with that, I see you guys really preparing superbly well. Okay, you're hard at work, you're doing research, you're asking yourself, what can I do better? If I do this, what will the results be? If I do that, what will the results be? And because of that resourcefulness, because of that planning, because of taking time off, doing a lot of research, you are getting massive amounts of progress when it comes to your life. So especially for students, if you've been working really, really hard, you will get the success that you deserve. But hard work is something that you absolutely cannot deny. Yeah, but again, for people who are into research, who are into PhDs, MPhils, you guys are going to be doing superbly well. And especially for teachers as well. Okay, I see a great deal prosperity coming into your life, because you have a lot of positive cards for yourself. You have 4 of Wands. So this is essentially some kind of celebration, so maybe this is you graduating school, you receiving promotions, or just having something really, really good happen to you when it comes to your work. Maybe you're getting that financial upgrade, you're completing a project on a very high note. So overall, there is just this positive feeling, and especially with the Sun. So especially around the warmer months, so especially I would say March, April, May, things will really start shifting for you. And the kind of shift this is so positive that you are almost going to end up at the top of your game. Okay, so this is success coming towards you, this is promotion coming towards you, this is recognition coming towards you. All right, but at this point of time there is also something that I need to warn you about. Okay, you need to ensure that you're not being very impulsive when it comes to doing things. Okay, if one fine day you get an idea, okay, I should start doing this and stop doing this, don't be impulsive. Think things through, because that thinking is going to be very important. And also avoid ignorance at all cost. Okay, so especially if you're into investing into something, if you're into a career in stock market, avoid impulsiveness, avoid ignorance. Learning something about in great detail will actually help you. Impatience is something that you absolutely need to avoid at this point of time. And let me tell you, avoid bluffing about things, or just if you need to get out of a situation which is especially tricky, try not to like white lie things around. That is something that I really need to warn you guys about. Yeah, so that thinking, really careful planning, preparation is something you cannot avoid. Yeah, for you there is a new path that is showing up, and once again with the 8 of Cups we highlighted that this is like you're moving from one situation into the other. Okay, and this new situation promises to be like probably not very familiar to you, but it is filled with a great deal of positivity. Okay, so once again, if you have a new job opportunity or you get the opportunity to join somewhere, look at all the minor things, look at the nitty-gritties, and then make an informed decisions, because the possibility of getting more than one choice is definitely there. Please don't fall for not sincere promises is what I'm going to tell you. Now the possibility of you overworking is there for you. Okay, and especially since you get that clarity and you decide to get into all the hard work after the hermit zone, please ensure you're taking time for yourself. So of course your health needs to be a priority. You need to eat well, you need to exercise, because people really ignore the part that diet and exercise and sleeping well plays when it comes to your career and your work situation, even study for that matter. Okay, because that break is absolutely essential. Now for you, pile 3, strategizing is very important. Knowing when to take the next move is going to be important for you. Okay, so if you don't have any plans and if you're just moving towards a future blindly, avoid that. Have a plan in place, have a backup plan in place is also coming forth. Okay, so once again, if you're prone to a lot of spending, because I see you guys coming into a lot of money and then spending it too, so make sure if you have a lot of money coming through your work, you're saving first, you're paying yourself first, and then taking care of your rest. So you need to have a game plan around everything that you do. And of course what's important for you is manifestation. Okay, so once again for you, pile 3, what's important is whatever it is that you want in your life, whatever dreams you have, whatever ambitions you have, you can dream it into life. So once again, this really highlights thinking negatively as well. So if you're thinking negatively about something, if you're like, okay, is this going to happen, is this not going to happen, you need to avoid that, because for people who are very powerful manifestors, whatever they think, positive, negative, it comes to life. So please make sure you are really thinking on the positive and dream the world into being. So whatever kind of success you want in your life, whatever growth you want in your life, first visualize it in your mind, visualize it in your brain, have a vision board around it, and then you will actually see that it actually comes to place in your life. Okay, so overall that is what I see. Honestly, for you, pile 3, all of your hard work is paying for. Okay, and this is only happening because you're consciously deciding to do so. But make sure to take those occasional breaks, and if you get the opportunity to move out of a situation into a new one, don't hesitate to do that, because that move is actually going to bring a lot of blessings into your life. I see a very powerful solar plexus chakra for you, lot of things happening for you because you are ready for it, is what I'm getting here. Of course, as I've wrapped this video up, I'm going to leave you with nothing but my good wishes for a beautiful future for you, and lots of prayers as well. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.